Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In the previous lecture, we discussed the average atomic mass in detail, and today we will solve the numerical which is on your book, page number 20, and the topic is practice problem 1.2. Actually, in this practice problem 1.2, we have two numericals. One is about the average atomic mass of the gallium, in which you will calculate the average atomic mass of the gallium, and in the second numerical, you will calculate the average atomic mass of neon. So first of all, we will calculate the average atomic mass of gallium. So for the numerical, you will give the heading, first heading data, atomic mass of the first isotope 68.9256 AMU, that is present in your question. This is the percentage abundance of isotope 1, 60.108. It's the atomic mass of isotope 2, 70.9247 AMU, and the percentage abundance of isotope 2 is 39.82. So we have two isotopes. Required data, that what you want to calculate, the average atomic mass of gallium. The third heading is the formula plus solution, and we have the formula average atomic mass of gallium. What is the formula now? Atomic mass of isotope 1 multiplied by its percentage abundance divided by 100. It's for one isotope. The red part of the formula is for the isotope 2. So what is this? Atomic mass of isotope 2 multiplied by percentage abundance divided by 100. And keep it in your mind, it's very important to note that you will write addition sign between these two parts of the formula. It's the black color indicate you the isotope 1 and the red color indicate you the data for the isotope 2. So 68.9256 is the atomic mass of isotope 2. 60.108 is its percentage abundance divided by 100. 70.9247 is the atomic mass of isotope 2, and the percentage abundance of isotope 2 is 39.82 divided by 100. By multiplying these two figure, we will get this figure, and by multiplication of these two figure, we will get this figure. Now you can see that we have 100 and 100. What you will do, you will take LCM of the 100. Automatically you will get 100. As the LCM is 100, same in the with the both figure, so same figure come here and same figure come here. So by adding these two figures, we will get this figure divided by 100. By dividing these two figures, you will get 69.671, and AMU is the unit for average atomic mass. So the unit is very important. So this, it's your result, but the unit is important. That is, you should write the unit with the answer, that is the average atomic mass. They are also represented by AMU. So it's the average atomic mass of gallium, and your answer is, or your result is 69.671 AMU. Now coming to the second numerical, and second numerical is for the neon. That is, you can see that we have some information, we have some data about the numerical. That is, you can see that we have 1, 2 and 3 isotopes of neon. This is the first isotope, second isotope and the third isotope. As the 20 figure indicate you that it's the atomic mass of first isotope, its percentage abundance. 21 is the atomic mass of second isotope and its percentage abundance. 22 is the atomic mass of the third isotope and its percentage abundance. So it's the information that you have. So that three color indicate you three isotopes. Now the formula is the same, average atomic mass of neon. It's for the first isotope, addition sign, atomic mass of isotope 2 multiply by its percentage abundance 100, and the green figure indicate you that it's the information about the third isotope. So you will put all the given value in the formula and you will get your answer. That's all for today. Thank you.